Okay. Hello, hello, hello. All right, guys. Now we have a lot of people with excellent job for the homework, and now, Jeffrey, I must see. Hello, Jeffrey.
Hello.
So I have your favorite shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you wear
Okay.
the same brand all the time? Because it looks like you're wearing the same brand
Hello.
all the
I
time.
have I have five of these same shirts.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So yeah. Well, Jeffrey, I like your t-shirt as well. It's blue.
Oh yeah, it's champion. Yeah, yeah,
Oh, champion. Oh, same as
yeah,
mine. Have a like a logo on the chest. Very good, Jeffrey. All
yeah.
right, nice. That looks really nice on you, Jeffrey. Okay.
Thanks.
All right. So now, okay, um, guys, let's calm down. Today, I need to say something really, really important. Okay? Now, so, all right. Are you guys ready to listen to the important thing that I'm going to say? Yeah. Okay, guys. Now, today, guys, we are going to learn about periodic problems. But, guys, the important thing is today I am trying to teach you the best way to solve all of this topic. If you know this method, you can do any hard questions. But it's really hard if you don't listen to me. There's many, many different steps. Now, the method that I'm going to teach you can be used all the way up to 2 years above your age. So, don't you think it's going to be really, really awesome? Because think about it. No? Okay, Livy, let's learn without Livy then. Livy said no. And I'm just kidding, Livy. So guys, so basically guys, what I'm trying to show you, it's a very easy method. Livy, I think if you just follow my steps, okay, Livy, if you just follow my steps, I mean everyone, you guys can solve all the problems for today's topic. So, I want you guys to pay extra attention. But first, let's start really easy, guys, okay? So today, an example is like Christmas is coming. Wukong and Una are decorating Christmas tree, and they're gonna hang a string of colored lights on it. And yes, colored light is so beautiful, and the colors arrange in one pattern. What's a pattern? Today it's about pattern, guys. And you see, yellow, green, red. These three colors are colored lights repeating over and over again. Okay, Livy, if if you are typing so many things when I'm explaining, I will have to mute you for the entire lesson. So, would you like to please listen to my explanation first? I'm trying to help you in many different ways, Livy. If you don't behave, not fine, yes or no. You don't want me to be angry. Good. Okay. All right. So now. All right. So now guys, today what we're doing is basically like this. Let me show you with my pictures. So, first of all, let's say we have a red ball, okay, and we have a yellow ball, and we have a blue ball, right? And imagine if this is repeating so many different times, guys, so many different times. Imagine if this was repeating. Now, what we're doing today Notice how this is the first, second, and third, and fourth, and it keeps going. Today, we're trying to investigate what is the 99th color. Or, even if you do well for today's method, you guys can figure out what is 1727th method as color as well. So it's a very, very powerful method that you'll be learning today. Yeah. So, do you understand why you need to listen to me today? Okay, very good. So, now, but you guys need to understand how to divide. So, guys, piece of cake. Guys, what is 27 divided by 3? 9. That's right. What about 35 divided by 5? 7. Yes, piece of cake. And now 28 divided by 2. That's right, 14. Piece of cake. Now, we need to solve numbers like this as well. 9 divided by 2. So, first of all, you can't go over. So, guys, I think 2 times 4 is 8. And we have a remainder of 1. So, as you can see, guys, you have 4 and 1. So, you write your answer like this. 4 remainder 1. And of course, if you can use decimals, we can put 4.5 and everything. But today, you need to know how to write in remainders if you want to do my method. Does that make sense, Jeremy and Sherlock? Yeah? So, you guys need to understand how to use the remainders. Because it's all about the remainders. And I think Sophie Deng will love my method. Yes, that's good, Livy. Already ahead of everything. Livy, if you know this, you're a bit ahead of everything. So, good job. So now, 20 divided by 3, guys. 6, 18, and we get 2. So you get 6 remainder 2. Forrest, do you know how to divide numbers? Oh, then it's going to be a very hard lesson for you then. Do you know your times table though? That's good. It's just the opposite. So think about it. Livy, saw your message. So mute everybody. And I'm just going to have Forrest. Guys, I don't understand why you guys are not being nice to each other. Anyways, Forrest, let's do this one by one. So, Forrest, 21 divided by 4. Now, make 4 into 20 as close as you can, Forrest. How can we make 21? As close as we can. 4 times what equals to something close to 21, Forrest? Yeah, then you write 5 here. Then you get 20. And what you need to do for us is take away the difference. And the difference you get is your remainder. Okay? So you write 5 first, and you write remainder 1, because that's our number here. That's the step how to divide with remainders, Forrest. Do you understand, Forrest? Yes, good, good, good. Okay, so all right now, guys, so let me show you 2 ways. 2 ways to do this question, guys. So first of all, we have red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. What is the 15th color? Well, this one is piece of cake. Why? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Guys, all the odd numbers are red. So it's going to be blue. Nope, it's going to be red. Why? 15 is odd number. So, and have a look. All the even numbers are blue. So 20 is blue. Piece of cake, isn't it? So when the pattern is really simple, it's really easy. It's really easy when the pattern is really easy, guys. Yeah? But let's see what happens if we have a pattern like this, guys. So how about this? So we have lanterns. I'll show you two ways, guys. First, we need to look at this picture and guess what color is the 17th lantern. So as you can see, this is the first, second, third, and fourth, and fifth, and sixth, and seventh, and eighth, and ninth, and goes all the way. We need to figure out what is the 17th. Now, guys, if you have a lot of time, maybe you can draw this pattern and figure out the 17th lantern. But guys, would you like to still draw this lantern if I asked you, hey, change the question, what is the 1727th lantern? Do you want to keep going and draw lanterns like this? No, absolutely not. So, the first easy method goes like this, guys. I'll show the easy method first, okay? Guys, you need to find the pattern that is repeating. Well, I can see that blue, orange, red is repeating. Blue, orange, red is repeating. Blue, orange, red is repeating. So, guys, as you can see, we can make a group of patterns like this. So, can everybody see that I've made into patterns? Yeah. So, now, guys, let me see. Actually, let's stick to the powerful method. Okay. So now, guys, as first step, tell me, this is step 1, guys. Finding the pattern. So this is our pattern. Good. That's step 1. Step 2. How many lanterns do you have in one group, one pattern? How many do we have here? 3. 3. Very good, guys. So, guys, 3 will be your magic number. So we need to find the magic number, and 3 is the magic number because we have 3 lanterns in one pattern. Does that make sense so far? Yes. Good. And now, guys, good. Now, what you need to understand is writing the remainders. But, guys, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. Guys, have a look at the red lanterns for a second. 3, 6, 9. Guys, what is 3 divided by 3? And what is 6 divided by 3? And 9 divided by 3? What are the remainders, guys? What's the remainder? Remainder 0. Good. It's remainder 0, guys. Okay? So, always, guys, always the last lantern inside the pattern will have a remainder 0. So, that means this is remainder 0. Now, what about the blue lanterns? What do you think the remainder is for the blue lanterns? So, for example, 4 divided by 3, 7 divided by 3. What's the remainder, guys? Yes, Sophie, good. 1. Remainder 1. Now, I don't care what the answer is because this is not the question. I'm asking what's this lantern. Okay? And now, guys, what about the orange lantern? Orange lantern. So what's the remainder if we divide the orange lanterns, guys? Remainder 2. Yes. So, guys, do you see what's happening? We have remainder 1, 2, 0. Remainder 1, 2, 0. Remainder 1, 2, 0. Repeating. We have like a code, a secret code. remainder 1, 2, 0, remainder 1, 2, 0, remainder 1, 2, 0, according to our magic number. Does that make sense? So let me show you why this is important. Why this is important? Because, guys, okay, let's do the easy 17th first, okay? So if you want to find the 17th lantern, guys, all you need to do is divide 17 with your magic number. So what do we get? Well, 5, 15, take away 2. Ah! What's our remainder, guys? Remainder 2. And what color was remainder 2, guys? Orange. That's how we figured this out. And now, guys, we can even do really hard questions. I can do this one as well, guys. What about 25? What about 25? 25 divided by 3. Yeah, it's an easy method, but you can use it for anything. So equals to what, guys? 8, 24, remainder 1. So yes, that's right. What's remainder 1, guys? It's blue. So it doesn't matter how big your number is. All you need to know is what's your remainder. Isn't that amazing, guys? So let me show you a little bit of more extensive example. Okay, so now. Okay, so imagine, guys, imagine we have these little balls repeating. Okay, so guys, what's a pattern that is repeating? What is the pattern that is repeating? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no numbers. Red, orange, yellow, green. Thank you, Camille. Well done, Camille. So excellent. So that is right, guys. Red, orange, yellow, green. Red, orange, yellow, green. These are all repeating, guys. So what's our magic number then? What's our magic number? 4. That's right. Well done, guys. We have 4 little circles. So our magic number is 4. Good. And now, what do you think the remainder is for the red one? 1. Good. No. It always goes like this, guys. Remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3, and the last one always finishes with 0. Isn't that nice, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All doesn't matter how long your pattern is. The last one, as long as the last one is 0, it's fine. Easy? Okay? So now, guys, let's figure out what is the color for the 61st circle. Okay, so 61 divided by 4. So 1, 21, and 5, 20. Is it remainder 2, Camille? Remainder 1. So what color is remainder 1, guys? It's red. See, guys? You guys didn't even need to draw these circles. We just calculated by looking at the remainder, and we only had to look at one pattern. Isn't that quite nice, guys? Yeah, Livy. Yeah, that's right. So Very easy. So who likes this method, guys? Yes, I knew it. I knew it. See, Livy, you can do it. All right. So now, guys, now, no other way. I just want you to use my way or have this correct answer if you can. So now I do notice that these shapes are very hard to see. So I'm just gonna change circle, triangle, circle, square, triangle. So this one is square, and this one is a triangle. This one is a circle. So please submit your answer. There's only 5 seconds left. There's no excuses if you forget to submit. Livy, I don't see your answer. All right, so the answer for this question is actually A. So well done, guys. And guys, why did you select D? There's not even D for this question. So well done. And now, let me explain to you one more time, okay? Because I want everybody to understand. Guys, what's our pattern? Our pattern is basically square, triangle, circle. Square, triangle, circle, and square, triangle, circle. So what's our magic number? Our magic number is 3 because we have 3 shapes inside. So now, guys, remain the 1, remain the 2, remain the 0. What is the 16th figure? Okay, 16 divided by 3. 5, 15, 1. Remainder 1. What's remainder 1? It's a square. All done in less than 30 seconds. How do you like this, guys? Good. All right, very well, guys. Nice. So it's okay, Livy. We can continue and practice. Guys, have a look at these letters. And how many letters do you have in one pattern? What's repeating? How many letters are repeating, guys? 4. Yes, Chris. Very good. Olivia as well. So A, B, A, C, A, B, A, C, A, B, A, C. It's repeating. So what's our magic number, guys? What's our magic number? 4. That's good. So now, what's the remainder? Remainder 1. Thank you. Remainder 2. Thank you. Remainder 3. Thank you. Remainder 0. Thank you very much. And now, what's the order? 36. Okay, 36 divided by 4. 9. 36. Ha! What's our remainder? Remainder 0. So, yes, if it's remainder 0, look at your picture. It's letter C. Easy peasy. So who really likes this method now? We can find any order. Yes, Tara, so fun. Yes, very good. Okay. All right. So practice one more, guys. Yes, let's do more. What is the 28th letter, guys? What is the 28th letter? Okay, so don't forget to submit your answer, everybody. And the answer is C. So well done. A lot of you got this right. I can see you guys are enjoying this method. And now let me explain quickly because today it's actually a hard lesson. So we need to go quickly, guys. So I know we have a lot of people who really like this method. That's good. But guys, again, what is the pattern? A, B, C, C. A, B, C, C. A, B, C, C. Okay. So what is our magic number? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is our magic number. And remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3, and remainder 0. Always the last one is 0. So what's the number that we need to figure out? 28. Okay, 28 divided by our magic number 4 is 728. Ha! Remainder is 0. If your remainder is 0, what's your letter? It's C. Ta-da! Very easy. So, does that make sense, everybody? Good. So now let's do some hard questions now. Very good. So now, guys, what about if it's not that straightforward? What if it's not too straightforward and you need to make your own pattern? Ooh, okay. Yikes. So, guys, have a read about this question. So now, a 30 episode TV series starts on Monday. Okay, and one episode is aired each day. Okay, so one episode per day. And now, on what day of the week will be the last episode? So basically, guys, we need to think about this a little bit logically. Let me show you what I mean by logically. So we start with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and Saturday, and Sunday. Okay? Now, if you remember, what day does the first episode start on? On Monday. Yes, good. So the first episode will start on Monday, and then second episode 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. And now, what day do you think the next episode 8 will be aired on? What day is episode 8? Monday again. So as you can see, we need to do this all the way up to 30, but we don't want to do that. We want to be a little bit more smart about this. So as you can see, we have a pattern, guys, that is repeating like this, and like this, and this, and this. So guys, what do you think our magic number is for this question? Wow. Good job. 7. Yes, that is right. Our magic number is 7. Well done. So our magic number. So magic number is 7. And now, remain the 1, remain the 2, remain the 3, remain the 4, remain the 5, remain the 6, remain the what, guys, for Sunday? 0. Nice. Very good. Very good. And now, that's it. That's it, yeah, because 30, okay, no problem. 30 divided by our magic number 7, well, 7 times 4 is 28. If we take away, what's our remainder? Remainder 2. So what day is remainder 2, everybody? Tuesday. So, see, guys, with this method that I taught you today, we can solve any hard questions. Isn't this nice, everybody? So come on, who really likes this method? Yes, 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 yes. Very good. Okay, so now, guys, this is your turn. I think this is also quite easy if you think about it. I'm only going to give you 2 minutes, so you better act quickly. Okay, guys, so the time is up. Now I can see we have some wrong answers because some of you are not using my method. Okay, first of all, the answer is A, so well done, guys, if you selected A. And now let's have Jeffrey. Hello, Jeffrey.
Hello.
Okay, what's so funny, Jeffrey?
Nothing.
Okay,
Really?
no worries. Okay, Jeffrey.
I was
So,
just looking if I'm first or not.
huh?
I was just looking on this thing if I'm first or not.
Okay. All right, Jeffrey. So now, as you can see, we have 22 episode TV series that starts on Monday. Okay, and one episode is aired each day. So that means every day we can see this TV series. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And this is going to repeat many different times. So, Jeffrey, what's our pattern?
Um. Our pattern is so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Good. So, what does that mean? What's our magic number?
7.
Good. Magic number is 7. And what's the number that we need to divide?
22.
Now, before, we need to write down the remainder. So, remainder 1. And what about Tuesday and?
Remainder 2.
Keep going.
Remainder 3.
Good.
Remainder 4.
Good.
Remainder 5.
Good.
Remainder 6.
Yes.
Remainder 0.
Perfect. Okay, so 22 divided by 7. So please divide this for me.
So 22 can't divide it by 7. So let me just say. So then 18 divided by 3. Oh no, 3. Yeah, 3. Yeah, 3 are 1. 3 remainder 1.
Okay, so yes, what is 7 times 3?
21.
Good. So if we take away, what do we get?
Remainder 1.
Remainder 1. So what day is remainder 1, Jeffrey?
Monday.
Yes, that's why the answer is A. Thank you very much, Jeffrey. Do you like this method?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Now I can show you guys, I can prove it to you. My method always works because look, episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm tired already. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. See, guys? It works. My method will always work even if it's 122 or 1022. So, do you understand my method, guys? Yes, very easy. So, okay, let's have a short break, guys. Time for some riddles. Who has a good riddle, guys? Raise your hand. Okay, so let's have Mohan. Hello.
Can you come back to me, please?
Okay. All right, what about Livy? Do you have a good joke or a good riddle?
What do you call a sleeping dinosaur?
What do we call a sleeping dinosaur, everybody? Dinosaur? Sleeposaur?
Yes, dinosaur.
It's which one is it? Dinosaur, is it?
Yeah.
Ah, that was a funny one. Okay, good one, Livy. Chris! Okay, Chris, do you have a joke or do you have a riddle?
What's another way of calling sushi?
Oh. Say that again for everybody. One more time. What is it again?
What's another way of calling sushi?
Oh, I'm not sure. What is it, guys? Tissue. What?
Let me see.
Sushi. I'm not sure. Do we have an answer here?
Do you want the answer?
Yes, Chris. Tell me the answer, please.
Sauce high.
Why?
Because well, it's spelled like SUS and HI. So
Yeah.
you put like you separate it to make it sound like
Oh, I see. Good one. Nice. Thank you, Chris. That was interesting. Mohan, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
There are six sisters, and each has a brother. How many kids are in the family?
Okay, does anybody know the answer? 12? 7? Oh, is it 7?
Yes.
7, yes, that's a trick question. Yes. Very good, Mohan, because they only have one brothers each, yeah? Okay, it's the same brother. Okay. So I'm only going to select who are being nice. Okay, so let's have Candy. Okay, Candy.
What animal is very hot?
What animal is really hot? Anybody know the answer? It's a hard one. Can you tell us the answer, Candy? That's really hard. I don't know.
A dog because hot dog.
Ah, I see, Candy. That's a good one. Okay. And Janet, yes, of course, Janet.
Why did the elephants take up the least space in Noah's Ark?
Ooh. Anybody know? That's a hard one. Because it's big? Not sure. Janet, can you tell me the answer?
Because they put everything in the trunks.
Ah, trunks. Good one. All right, Janet, that was nice. Okay, and let's have, let's see. Miranda, okay. Yes, Miranda? Okay.
What has um what has what has an E but what has two E's but it only has one letter?
Has one E but has only one letter. Huh.
Has two E's.
Envelope?
Correct.
Oh, is that right? Oh, that's a good one. Well done, Sophie. Thank you, Miranda. That was really interesting. Okay, and guys, I have a list of people who did it last time and this time. And guys, I also have a list who are paying extra attention. And I also have a list who don't listen carefully. And I also have a list who do not follow our class rules. So if you want to do the riddle or a joke, what do you guys need to do? Let me know in the... So guys, yes, Archie, behave. Yes, follow the rules. Be good and behave. Yes, follow the rules. Best behave. That's right. Okay, so every moment counts, guys. Yeah, pay respect. Oh, Elsa, thank you. That's a really good one. Thank you. Respect. Yes, that's a good one. Okay, now, Ricky, I'll give you a chance. What's your riddle or a joke?
Do you know a wordle like W-O? It's like a game. It's like a thing you have to guess. It's like 5 in a row.
Yeah.
In a row, and you have to and 5 column,
Yeah.
and you have to guess. You have to guess guess like a 5 word that is a word like 5 word. Then it's like it's where you like you like you pretend you do house a 5-letter word.
Yeah.
That's right. If they're like there's 3 color: green, yellow, and brown. Silver.
Okay, but
The
I
silver
think
one
for
is nothing.
okay, so what do you want to say then? I think it's going to be very hard and time consuming to explain all that again. Do you have a simple joke or riddle that you want to share?
Okay. A simple joke. What did the snowman said to the man that got his ice pack?
Oh, what did the snowman say to the man that has his Anybody? Do we have anybody? Ice snow? Snow snow? Snow ice? What is it, Ricky?
Have an icy day.
Ah, I see. I see, Ricky. All right. So last one, Sherlock, because you were very nice recently. Okay.
What?
Yes, Hannah, you can go
What
to the
goes
toilet.
up?
Sorry, Sherlock.
What goes up? What goes up but never goes down?
What goes up that never goes down? Balloon, age, stairs, air, age, mountain.
Age.
Age. Yes, that's very true, Sherlock. I like that one. Okay. So very good, guys. Now, if you want to do more jokes and riddle, guys, please behave, okay? Now, say nice things, okay? To each other, and respect your teacher and respect your friends. Okay, so let's get started. So now, guys, I hope you guys still remember the method. And now, this time, it's going to be a little bit different. Because, look, we need to have a look at this picture and how many hearts do we have in the first 50 shapes? Yikes. But guys, don't worry, I will show you this easy way. Guys, first of all, how many shapes do we have in one pattern? How many shapes do we have in one pattern? Good. Yes, very good. You guys are still very good at looking at 5 shapes. So this is the pattern. Good. So what does that mean? What's our magic number, guys? What's our magic number? Yes, it's 5. Good. And now, have a look at number 50. Okay, have a look at number 50. Now, 50 divided by 5, yes, equals to 10 with 0 remainder, guys. Now, this time, you need to know both of these numbers. These two numbers are very important now. Pay attention, everybody. Yes, it's 10 remainder 0. So, okay, so it's 10 remainder 0. Now, we know that this is remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3, remainder 4, remainder 5. Not 5, silly, 0. But guys, we need to count how many hearts we have. So in one pattern, guys, how many hearts do we have, everybody? we have 3 hearts. And now, this number 10 tells you how many groups you have. So how many groups do we have, guys? How many groups do we have? 10. So we have 10 of these groups. And for every group, we have 3 hearts. So 3 hearts times 10 groups equals 230. That's right, Sherlock. That's your answer. Isn't that nice, guys? So, yes. Exactly. Very good question, Livy. I love that question. But why do we need the remainder? Isn't that right, guys? Guys, we didn't even need to use remainders at all. Very good, Livy. Very nice. Yes, I love how you're paying attention. So that's a really good question. And the answer to that question, Livy, we need to use remainders for the other questions in this lesson. But for now, do you guys understand the number on the top is how many groups you have? Yeah? Good. Okay. Livy, good job. If you keep up like this, you get more chances to tell me the riddle next lesson. Well done, Livy. Okay, so sorry, Amy. Basically, it's the same method, Amy. All you had to do was figure out the magic number 5 and divide 50 by 5, and you get 10 remainder 0, and the 10 on the top is number of groups you have. So you have 10 groups of this pattern. We can see we have 3 so far, so we have 10 of them in total. And in one group, you can see we have 3 hearts in one group. So 3 hearts times 10 groups equals 230. So that's your answer. Okay, now try this question by yourself, guys. This is your turn. And remember, guys, the remainder doesn't need to be used for this question. It needs to be used for the other question, so don't worry. Remember the groups. Okay, guys, so the time is up. And the correct answer for this question is actually B. So well done, guys, for the correct answers. And now, let me show you why it's B one more time. And I'll get somebody to explain for the next question, okay? Guys, first of all, star, triangle, heart, heart, heart. Star, triangle, heart, heart, heart. So, what's our magic number for this question, guys? Good. Magic number is 5. And now, okay, so 40 divided by 5 is 8. Perfect. So how many groups do we have, guys? How many groups? 8. That's right. 8 groups. Very good, guys. And in one group, guys, how many stars do we have? 1. So 1 star times 8 groups equals to 8. So that's why the answer is B. Easy peasy. Okay? So now, guys, what about when we need to use the remainder? So this is the question for Livy. So Livy and everybody else, have a look at this. Guys, we need to count how many yellow flowers in the first 31. And this is the reason why I had to draw a picture. Have a look at this, guys. Thank you for my beautiful flowers. I love how you guys like my flowers. So, guys, let me show you an example. Okay, so first of all, guys, can you tell me what's the magic number? Good. Very good. The magic number is 3. But guys, do we have complete groups? Have a look at this. Have a look at this, guys. Do we have a complete group? No. And now, this is when we start to use the remainder method. Guys, pay attention, guys. So remember, guys, that this is remainder 1, remainder 2, and remainder 3. And now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So guys, we have currently 14 flowers. Okay? And if the question said, how many yellow flowers? Yes, what's wrong, everybody? I can see your hand up. What's wrong? Amy, Sophie, Melody, what's wrong? Ah! Better than me, guys. You guys are smarter than me today. Yes, the last one is 0. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. And now, we have 14 flowers. Guys, if we do 14 divided by 3, we get 4, 12, and 2. And guys, this is a very important information. Number 4 tells us we have 4 groups. Do we have 4 complete groups, everybody? Four complete groups, Livy. Look, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, we do. And guys, have a look. This number 2 is the remainder. Remainder 2. And guys, have a look. Yes, remainder 2. Now this is the number of extra flowers you have. Look, remainder 2 means you have remainder 1 and remainder 2. See, we have two extra flowers that is not in the group. So guys, if we want to count how many yellow flowers we have, first of all, we have only 1 yellow flower per each group. So 1 times 4 groups equals to 4. And if you look at the extra, yellow and red, we need to add another extra, which means 4 plus 1 equals to 5. We have 5 yellow flowers. So, whoa, things are getting a little bit more harder now. So let me show you how this question can be asked. So have a look at this one, guys. Guys, this time, so this is ask 5. So this is the pattern we have, guys, and you need to count how many yellow flowers. So let's write it down here. How many yellow flowers do you have if there are 31 flowers? Okay, so this is the question. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So, now guys, what's our magic number, first of all? 3. Okay, magic number is 3. That is important. And now, remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 0. And now, 31 divided by 3 equals to 10 with remainder 1, guys. Good. So it's 10, 10 remainder 1. So this number 10 tells us how many groups we have. And this remainder tells you what's the extra. So guys, how many extra do we have, guys? How many extra do we have? 1. And what color of that flower? That extra. What's the color of the extra flower? Well, remainder 1, so it's yellow. Good. So how many flowers do we have for the yellow? Well, for each group we have 1 yellow flower. So 1 times 10 groups equals to 10. And we need to think about the extra. Extra means plus 1 equals to 11. So now, do you now know how to do this question without drawing all these flower pictures now? Yes. So this is why our method was very useful from the very beginning, guys. Okay, good. So I can prove this to you, it's 11. Let's draw some pictures. I will show you it's 11 because look, guys. So this is 12 and 24 and whoops, we don't need this much. 24 and no. That's right, Livy. We're gonna waste a lot of time if we don't use my method. And now the little extra is the 31. If you count all of this is 31 flowers. Okay, does that make sense, everybody? Yes. So that's how you do this question, and that's why the answer is 11. So now this is your turn. You don't want to draw 22 flowers, do you? So you need to tell me how many yellow flowers do we have for the first 22 pots? I'll give you more time. 30 minutes. Okay, everybody, the time is up. So not many people got this question right, but well done, everybody. The answer is D, and yes, Livy, because you were nice for the second half of this lesson, I will give you a chance. Hello, Livy.
Hello.
So, please explain from the very beginning.
Okay, so the pattern is repeating 3 flowers, yellow, red, red.
Good.
So our magic number is 3.
Good.
The first flower is remainder 1, the second is remainder 2, and the third is remainder 0.
Very good.
22 divided by our magic number 3 equals 7 remainder 1, I believe.
Ooh, so okay, so what does that mean?
There are 7 groups.
7 groups. Yes, that's right. And then? How many yellow flowers do we have in one group?
There 1 yellow flower per group.
Good. And remainder 1. So what does that mean? We have some extra. How many extra do we have?
1.
And what's that extra?
That extra is a yellow flower.
Yes, because it's remainder 1. Good. So how do we calculate how many yellow flowers we have then?
7 groups times 1 yellow flower plus
Good.
the extra yellow flower in the group equals 8 flowers.
And the extra yellow flower is going to make you 8. Wow. Perfect. Perfect, Livy. Very good. Do you enjoy this method now?
Yes.
Yes, I can tell. Very good. Let's clap for Livy, guys. Livy, this is just my explanation, just said by Livy, guys. Well done, Livy. Excellent. Well done. Yes, clapping. So, Livy, if you behave well, you will be rewarded. So please be nice to everybody, respect others, and listen to me carefully. Okay? Well done. Yes, everybody clapping. Yes. See, Livy, everybody's being nice to you. There's another reason why you need to be nice to them as well. Yes, good job. Thank you, guys. You guys are so nice. Well done, everybody. Such a nice friend. Good. Okay, now, guys, what about this one, guys? Guys, we have orange. We need to count orange stars in the first 25 figures. So who wants to try and challenge this question using my method? So, So let's have. Let's see if Sophie, can you try this question for me?
Yeah.
So first, before anything, Sophie, our golden rule is read the question out loud.
The red, orange, and blue stars are arranged according to the following pattern. How many orange stars are there in the first 25 figures?
Okay, so how would you like to start this question?
By finding out how many stars are in each pattern.
Okay, so how many stars do you have in one pattern?
4.
Yes. Red, orange, orange, blue, red, orange, orange, blue. Good. And then what's our next step, Sophie?
We divide 25 by our
what's our magic number?
4.
Good, because we have 4 stars in one pattern. Good. And then, Sophie, you forgot about the remainders.
Okay, red star is remainder 1, and the orange star is remainder 2. The second orange star is remainder 3, and the blue star is remainder 0.
Good. Okay, so then?
Then we divide 25 by 4.
Okay, and what do you get?
6 and remainder 1.
Oh, okay, so what does that mean? We have 2 numbers that are very important. What does 6 tells us? What does 0 tells us?
The 6 tells us we have 6 groups.
That's correct.
And the 1 tells us we have 1 extra.
Yeah, we have one